Hello everyone. This video is all about explaining our project chosen from the Smart India Hackathon 2024. Our team name is SecureLens. The problem statement ID is 1605. The problem statement title is Women Safety Analytics Protecting Women from Safety Threats. Theme is miscellaneous and the category is software. Looking at the statement, it is one of the common problem statement and gender identification has many pre-trained models. Yet the disadvantages in it is that a person's gender cannot be predicted if they are facing opposite direction from the camera or sideways or even they are at a pretty long distance from the CCTV camera. We are exclusively training our model so that it detects a person's gender even they are directly or indirectly facing the camera. Mostly, the CCTV footage aren't clear and thus gender identification becomes a challenge, such that we are focusing on improving the accuracy. The uniqueness in our project is we would like to prevent such incidents on the spot. Even with the secondary measurements such as sending an alert message to the nearby police stations, we are equipping the cameras with alert light and a siren alarm when threat is detected, where we are giving a chance to escape and prevent such incidents. Our main area of interest is less crowded areas where crime happens there a lot. The threshold value is given and our models will start detecting the number of objects using a software mobile net SSD. The number of objects would include both people and vehicles. If the number of people of the area is less than the threshold count, our model starts focusing on the gender identification. Where the gender identification is done by mobile net SSD, here the pre-trained model and fine-tuned and it is fine-tuned with our surveillance cameras dataset. Finding the number of male Finding the number of male and females, the focus mainly moves to the female where the distance between all the other objects like other males and vehicles are also calculated on a real-time basis. When the distance when the distance between a target and the object reduces to an extent, the bright lights in the camera start blinking, indicating the presence of it. Here, the distance between the target and the object is being calculated by the software Euclidean distance. This Euclidean distance formula helps us to calculate the distance between a target and the object. To reduce an extent, the bright lights in the camera starts blinking, indicating the presence of it. Further, using gesture analysis, if the that is, the gestures are already to be trained to people in times of emergency, is detected, then the siren blaze at the moment, alerting the surrounding, and an SOS message is sent to the nearby police station. The feasibility of our project is that it is an easy implementation where cameras are widely available and no additional hardware is required. And next we have mentioned the challenges based on the gender classification. Here the pre-trained model classifies genders only when the pedestrian faces the camera, as we can see here. So we overcome this by considering the other features rather than facial features to classify them as males and females. Uh, we use Lomo, a feature extraction tool, to extract features such as hairstyles, clothings, and other attributes for more accurate gender classification. To train our model, uh, we have we have used uh, this data set to fine tune our model. This dataset consists of 18,000 plus images, and we have only used a subset of this dataset to train our model as for now. And also, this is the code here we have used for post detection or gesture detection. This uses OpenCV and MediaPipe to process a video from a camera and perform real-time post detection. It detects gestures based on the detected post landmarks. Some of the poses we have defined are hands raised, arms crossed, hand covering face. When these poses are detected, alert goes off. And by counting these alerts and by setting a threshold for it, If a certain number of alerts are triggered within a specific time frame, it displays the danger. We have also imported Pygame for beep sound implementation. When a woman is who is more likely to be in a danger is detected, uh, then the bounding box coordinates are passed to this media pipe post direction, and the post direction is done in the box coordinates only. These bounding box coordinates are passed or updated for every frames per second in this media pipe post direction code. Then as the danger alert goes off, further alert message watching is done. Let me show you the output we have got from this Python code. As you can see, this is the output which my teammate have given. Thank you.